shoulder to left shoulder. You can close your eyes here if it feels good. Think about your shoulder blades coming together and melting down. Inhale in deeply and exhale one more time to each side. So take it to the right. And this time you have two options. You might find some soft, easy movement by lifting the chin up and down. Or you might even see how it feels to gently, very lightly rest your right. Exhale back. Beautiful. Release that. Come back to a nice straight spine. And we're going to draw the chin to the chest here. Draw the shoulder blades together. Breathe in here. And then on an exhale, bring your right ear over your right shoulder. Pause here, breathe. Shoulders are relaxing down. If it feels good, you can close your eyes here. Feeling that deep stretch in the left side of the neck. And then drawing the chin to the chest. And taking it to the other side. Slowly, gently left ear.